That's why I was thinking. Oh my God, it's so much fun out here. Oh my Lord. It's still snowing. It's still falling down. Do you see how it falls down? It falls like a movie. Yeah, like whitey, super white. It falls like rain, but no rain. Niliata hiyo soda ilikuwa mbele ya gari.
Umenipiga bonge la surprise, kanifanya mimi watamani, nakupenda kutoka moyoni. You've turned my morning into dancing. Umenipiga bonge la surprise, kanifanya mimi watamani, nakupenda kutoka moyoni. You've turned my morning into dancing. Umenipiga bonge la surprise, kanifanya mimi watamani, nakupenda kutoka moyoni. You've turned my morning into dancing.
Let's see. That is the one that picks up the snow and throws it out over our way. See the way it's speaking? That is how it's speaking now. It's making the way now look cleaner. Look at that. Oh, wow. Now they are cleaning this road because buses pass here. That's why they are trying to clean. See the way they are cleaning? That's how they take the snow off the road and they pile it on the side of the road. So those who are coming from the parking lot, they have a hill that they have to climb over. That's the problem with these guys. They just take it out of the road. You see now? The road is now getting clearer. This is the school buses. They have to make sure the buses have a way through. You see now? This is snow that has piled on the side of the road. Yeah, that's how they clean. So that one is for cleaning. There's another one that collects the snow. Yeah, this side they have not cleaned. That's why you can see the difference. The road is not clear here. Yeah, full of snow. Not like the other sides where they have really cleaned. Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to another video. Guys, I know majority of you who live in America, and especially those who live in Minnesota, you are so used to with snow in other states. But this video particularly is for my African people who have never been to the US, never been to other countries outside the country, abroad, to just witness how snow it is and how do you prepare for the snow, what kind of clothes do you need, how do you dress up for the snow. So I'm going to take you through this video, then we're going to go outside and show you what is the snow, how is it like to drive on the snow when it's snowing, and what actually happens. What do they do to fix the roads so that we can actually drive safely? So with me here, this is my pull neck. As you can see, you might think it's not that warm, but look at the inside. So you need a pull neck like this. This super warm, very warm. So you need this pull neck, and you need this. This is for your head and everything. If I put this on like this, see, I am all covered. These are gloves, and these gloves are warm, very warm. Look at that. So you need this super cute warm gloves so that when you go to the snow, your hands are super warm. You don't have to worry about feeling cold. And these gloves, they are screen touch. They can operate the phone, so you don't need to take them off. Some gloves, you have to take them off, touch your phone and do all that. These ones, they are good for that. I do have this too. Also, this is to cover like my nose and my neck area. Then this is going to be like tight before I can put this one out on top of it. Then with this is now my jacket. Very, very warm jacket. Very warm. Very warm. It has some warm layers. This is my scarf around my neck again. Like, you really have to bundle up. And then these are my pants. Look at how warm they are. Very warm pants. Then I would definitely need this. Very warm as well. And in here I have this is my t-shirt. I do have like, this is very warm as well. So, and then this one is also very warm. Look, very warm. So with this, then I dress up with all this. These are my winter boots, guys. These boots are very warm. Look at the inside. Look at the inside, guys. Very warm. So when I put this one on, I have already put on the clothes. Stop, guys. Then now look at my boots. Very warm. Ready for the outdoor. That's how you dress up for the snow. I'm dressing up. And when you are dressing up like this, guys, you feel so hot. Wait until you get outside on the snow. So you dress like this. And also this dress code is like, if you're going to work, definitely you have some good pants inside. Once you get to work, you can take all this stuff, and then you remain with the favorable clothing for your job. Depends where you are working, okay? So like that, because when I get to work, I'm just gonna take everything off. Then I will need this on top of it. So this is to cover my mouth and my neck area, on my eyes. So I'm gonna be walking like this, like a witch. Then I put this on top. That's how serious it is snoring. How do I look? So when I feel cold, I pull this up. Like that, guys. Guys, the kind of cold that is outside, people will say, why is she dressing up like that? Oh my God. You can easily get pneumonia or whatever. Then put on your gloves. Like that, because I need to go take off the snow from my car. Guys, look at me. They are operational. I can type if I want. I can type. See? Yeah. All dressed like this. Super warm. It's because of how cold outside is. But let's go. I take off the snow from my car, and then we drive around so you can literally see what I'm talking about. So come with me, guys. Oh my God, look at how bad it is. Look at my car. It's right here. Look at how bad my car is covered with the snow. Oh my God, somebody's walking on the snow. Oh God, look. Oh, they are not able to walk on the snow. Look at that. My God, I'm gonna go out. You see the way the person is driving in the snow? Yeah. That's how bad it is. If it is, like, this is how much the snow is. This is my car. So filled up with the snow. Oh my God, look. Look, look. Ah. Oh my God, guys, look. Look how deep it is. Look. Put it close. Look how deep it is. Guys, look how deep it is. That is how deep it is. See? You see, guys? That is how deep the snow is. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. And guys, this snow is only for today. It's only for today, imagine. This is only for today. Oh my God. Let's go to the other side of the car. I need to take off the back for easy visibility. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh, the snow is too much, guys. Oh my God. It is too much. Literally. All these cars, the owners have not taken off the snow. This is the parking lot, guys. How it's so snowed. And this is since morning, like 1 day snow. The one of this one has used the car, so that's why. This is one night. And you can't even see where the road is. You can't even differentiate the lines. Everybody is out taking snows from their cars. And that is what is happening. Let me try and zoom. We see how he's going to take off the snow from his car. Oh my God. Look at his car. So full of snow. Gosh. I'm just guys trying to zoom so you guys can see how much snow is on his car. Oh my God. It's not easy. It's a lot. Oh my God, he almost fell down. Oh my God. It's not easy, guys. I hope I can zoom so you guys can see how deep his feet, guys. The snow, guys, look at the height of the snow. The shoes is literally going down and covered by this snow. Look, you can't even tell where my shoes is. You step in, you sink. You put your feet in, you sink. You put your feet in, you sink. Guys, see how I'm sinking in. Guys, look at the height of the snow. Look at it. Oh my God, look at how bad it is. Like literally this layer, this is snow from this car. This is the snow height. Look at that layer. Oh God, look at that. That is the snow height. That is how much that snow. Let's try and see if it's done taking it off. That is snow now. You see? That is snow. If you were worried you wanted to see how snow looks like, that's how it snows. That's how snow falls down, guys. That is how snow falls down, guys. It's not funny. Oh my God. How am I gonna go to work? Imagine, guys, doing this every morning for you to be able to go to work. Doing this every morning for you to be able to go to work. I'm done. Let me go back to my car and let's try and drive and see if we can actually manage to drive with the snow. Oh my Lord. I see how people are trying to drive. Let me zoom. Oh God, they are struggling. They have to drive safely, like literally you have to be. I see how the snow has already fallen on me. I'm already filled up with the snow. Yeah, I'm literally filled up with it. It falls, this is now snow falling on me. So if I stay out here for like few minutes, I'll be covered with snow, like all over. And it's very cold, guys. That's why you think I'm exaggerating. That's why I needed this. People will say I'm exaggerating, but guys, you need this. If you don't cover your mouth and your nose, any opening, your ears, guys, you will freeze and you can't even hear anything. You start getting sick. So you have to make sure you cover all openings in your body. Like any hole, shimo yoyote, you cover it. That's why I have to cover this to avoid getting sick. Guys,
umenipiga bonge la surprise, kanifanya mimi watamani, nakupenda kutoka moyoni. You've turned my morning into dancing. Umenipiga bonge la surprise, kanifanya mimi watamani.
Guys, let's try and drive on the snow. See how I'm struggling, guys.
You've turned my morning into dancing. Umenipiga bonge la surprise, kanifanya mimi watamani, nakupenda kutoka moyoni. You've turned my morning into dancing. Umenipiga bonge la surprise, kanifanya mimi watamani, nakupenda kutoka moyoni. You've turned my morning into dancing.
Guys, it's Gari yangu imeshakwama kwa snow. Nimeita mtu akuja anisaidie kuitoa. At least ndio ni move guys. So guys, ndio huyu mimi. Niko hapa nimekwama kwa hii snow. Unaona venye imejaa. It's literally a lot of it. A lot. Na unaona venye inaendelea kufall. It is falling like crazy. Watu unaona venye wana struggle ku drive. Taya yamekwama kwa ile snow. So I'm here hoping and waiting for somebody to come and help me get my car out of this snow stack so that I can be able to go back to work and also to school. And also back home. Oh my God. Let's go, guys. I see. This is mail delivery. I'm trying to navigate through. Guys, you can't even tell where is the road. You can't actually tell where is the road. Because look, the whole road is covered by white, like matope ya white. Sasa hii ndio tunawaambia, guys. Right now, people are driving at 20 miles per hour, even 10 miles per hour, because if you overspeed, you'll be in trouble. You'll be on your own problem, okay? So you have to drive on 20 miles per hour so that you can be safe, because the roads are not clear. They have not salted them. And even if they salt them, the snow is pouring. It's literally pouring. So you salt the road and then they go back because it's really pouring, like literally. So tell me, driving at night, how you gonna stress yourself and struggle with visibility? Na sisi watu wa macho nne. Oh my God. That's a car coming. Look at the buildings. Ziko covered. Like, look at those buildings, the way they are covered with snow. Yani hata huwezi ona nyumba iko wapi. Ki make right turn, like left turn, you just have to be literally very careful. They have turned green, now we can go. You see, guys, you don't even know where is your road exactly. You just have to be careful when you are making right turn, left turn. You just have to be very careful. You turn slowly because you don't want your car to skid. You don't want it to run crazy and then you start skidding. Actually, hata niongee Kiswahili. Saizi hapa unasikia ni kama gari inakwama chini. Yaani hiyo matope inashika ni kama gum. Inashika. Alafu inaenda utelezi. Ikinyeshewa tu hivi kama haitatolewa, ikinyeshewa tu hivi kidogo inakuwa telezi sasa. Inakuwa telezi kidogo. Sasa gari ina skid. Yeah, ona sasa venye huyu ana drive. Visibility not clear. Yeah, mwenye anakimbia unamwacha akimbie. Wewe drive safely, drive slowly. Don't race. You race at your own risk. Hakuna haja ukufe mapema, man. Wengine wanakuja wanataka kujifanya ndio mapro kama hawa. Wanakimbiza gari. Hao ndio nasikia wameingia kwa mitaro. Hao ndio nasikia wamekosa accident. Na hii ni main road, imagine, na bado haijamwagiliwa chumvi. Ndio itoe hii snow hapa. Guy. Yeah. Guys, imagine, tell me, you don't even tell barabara ya kuturn left iko wapi, ya kuturn right iko wapi. You can't even tell very clearly. Like zote ziko tu. Oh my God. Sasa ndio gari inatolea, inasaidia kumwaga chumvi. Ni hiyo sasa. Inamwaga chumvi na pia inatoa snow. I wish ningeikaribia but siwezi drive saa hii juu nini taa ziko red mpaka zitani green. But hiyo ndio inamwaga chumvi na pia inatoa salt kwa barabara. Siku rahisi haki. Siku rahisi, magari zinaenda pole pole. Watu hataki kurace. Because if you race at your own risk. Unaweza race hivyo alafu upate ina skid. Unaona? Zinaenda pole pole. Sisi bado tuko red. Yetu haijatan. Hiyo ni joto nimeweka ya gari. Ndio at least iwarm vio. So when you're driving time ya snow, you need to bundle up, uvae warm, uvae gloves zenye ziko super warm, and then ukuwe na gadget za kutoa snow kwa gari yako, uziekenge kwa boot. And then ukiingia kwa gari, kitu ya kwanza you turn the heating system on. Na uweke joto kila mahali, itoe kwa vioo so that you can be able to see. Unaona visibility venye inapotea? Yeah. It's not easy, guys. More especially when you're making left turn, right turn, you have to be very careful. Now slow down kabisa so that you can make those left turn and right turn. Otherwise, oh my God, you're gonna be finding yourself kwa mitaro. Yeah, because it will be so easy for the car to skid. And also you don't know the depth of the snow on the road. So you don't want to risk driving carelessly and then upate snow, kumbe ile depth ulikuwa unajaribu kuimagine, it's not that deep, then you find yourself it's so super deep. So don't, and also drive where other drivers have already drove. You see, like these two, I'm literally going through those lanes. So don't start your own lane. Yani usijipigie barabara yako. Fuata hiyo barabara yenyewe gari zingine zishapita. That way you will be driving on a ground yenye ishakanyagwa. Ukianza ile mpya ujue how deep it is, then you cause an accident. Ama unapata gari inajitoa kwa barabara carelessly. You see? Yeah. So that is how bad it is right now in America. It's bad. When we tell you wintertime scares people, many people don't want to go to work because they are scared of driving on the snow because it's not fun to drive on the snow. Some people like it, especially those who have been born here, they have lived with this snow. They know how to deal with it. They know how to hold their brakes really good. Some don't. So if you don't trust yourself, don't try it, okay? And also don't hit your brakes so hard. Start having your brakes earlier. If you hit your brakes so hard, it's a possibility that your car is going to skid. And if it's skid, you find yourself in trouble, just like I said. So please, try as much as you can not to hit brakes so hard. Yeah. So much fun. But so scary. Look at the way he's driving. So cautious, especially when you're going down the hill. Oh my God. Yeah. Down the hill, the car can drive itself. Even when you hit brakes, the car will still move by itself. Oh my God. You have to be very, very careful so that you don't find yourself skidding off. And also avoid driving so close with other cars on the road. Be farther away from the other cars. Like try to keep a distance. Because the closer you are with the cars in front of you or the ones behind you, the riskier it is to cause an accident. Or if your car skids, iteleze, at least you have room to figure out what you can do and to avoid hitting the car in front of you. That's the reason as to why you need to keep a good distance. Ona venye snow ni mzito. I wish hata mngekuwa mnasikia venye inakwama chini. Like gari inafanya kurr kurr kurr. Sasa hiyo ni snow yenye imeanza kukauka kauka. As they have really tried to clean the roads. At least you can like see part of the roads a little bit. You can tell. But you have to be like super careful. Super careful. Let's look at the houses. Covered, cars covered, snow piles. Oh my Lord, it's still snowing since last night. This is now Minnesota for you guys. It's gonna be snowing all through now. From now till May. Because I'm going down the hill and they have done so much justice to clean this down the hill. Oh my God, because I think they know this is the tragedy point where the cars are going down and cars are coming up. You really have to slow down. Like slow down. The worst scenario is getting people waiting for you in front of you. And then if you're coming in speed, you don't know how to pause and stop. I'm about to make a left turn here. Let's look at the snow. Mchele. The trees are now covered really good. Oh my God. Yeah, it is what it is. Let's go back home now, guys. I've tried my best to vlog when it's snoring. So what I can all tell you is drive safe. Those living in Minnesota, my friends, for the first time you just got a car, please don't say, see how it's taking down the snow. That's how they clean it. So don't say, oh, you know what to do, you are good, I'm a good driver. No, snow doesn't know a good driver. Snow doesn't know a good driver. You will hit a car without your wheel, like literally.
You are for myself. Peke yangu haiwezekani. Usingekuwa upande wangu Bwana, maadui wangenimeza hai. In you I found myself. Peke yangu haiwezekani. Usingekuwa upande wangu Bwana, maadui wangenimeza hai. In you I found myself. Peke yangu haiwezekani. Usingekuwa upande wangu Bwana, maadui wangenimeza hai. In you I found myself. Peke yangu haiwezekani. Usingekuwa upande wangu Bwana, maadui wangenimeza hai.
Open up the snow. That's how it picks it up, like that. Picks it like that and takes it out. Yep. Then clears the road. If you can see this side, the road has been cleared. Now he's trying to clear going down. Yep. Wow, look at that one. Oh my god, look at how he's picking up the snow. That is so much fun. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh wow. That is so cute. Yep. That is so cute. So cute. This one is done, but he's trying to clear right here, trying to, oh my god, pick it, please don't go like that. He's just done clearing the road. As long as they create a way, that's it. So he's trying to clear on his driveway. Yeah, everybody's cleaning their own compounds and their own driveway. So yeah, so he's actually trying to push it away from the driveway. But that is so much fun. I didn't know that one existed. That might be very expensive. That's what I was telling you. The people right now who are having the best business blooming, they're the people who's selling tools for snow. Yeah, you see, like that one is definitely very expensive. Yep, very expensive. So he's trying to clean his own compound, his own driveway. Yep. So sasa nipande hapa Ivy. Ona venye snow imejaa. Oh my god. Guys, even operating with gloves is so difficult. It's so difficult to operate with gloves. But, there's nothing you can do. You just have to try your best. Like, it's so hard to... Hold on. Kuja ukai side yenye inanimulika lighting. Because I also need to get my face captured. Guys, look at how it's really snowing. Like, the snow is pouring. It's pouring. Like, literally. But now walking is easier. But operating anything with your gloves, I know as much as mine can operate, but it's very hard. It's very difficult. It's not fun. Wait, let me butcher this for them. At least I show them. Kuja ukae mbele yangu. Muonyeshe snow. Literally. Nice. This is how deep it is. You see? That is how deep. That is how deep the snow is. Like deep like that. Now, this is snow. For those who don't know how it is, it's form of, let me show them. It's form of, when you touch it, it's not wet on your hands. It's not wet. But when it stays down here for some time, then it becomes now watery. Coloring. So guys, I came to get a snack. Before I can proceed driving. I've not taken this for a while. Let's do chicken. I'm inside the store. Unajua una making hizi. Saizi sasa naziona na zitamani. Unaweza make leo? Iko wapi? So basi tutembee tununue. Hizo vitu unataka nibuy ni? Imagine kunitengeneza hivi unashindwa. So guys, I'm gonna eat this as well. These are my breakfast for tomorrow. Hizi ni nataka seedless grapes. Hutu ni tudogo jo, hata kama ni seedless, tudogo hivi. Nakaa kuharibika lakini. Ni wakati umeingia kwa building. Kama saizi nasikia nitoe kila kitu nitupe juu. Sasa niko hapa ndani, joto imeanza kunikalia mingi. Unasikia joto inakulemea. It's my favorite bread. Nichukue. December 31st. Sio iko sawa? Ani bambige ntekigia atio kirebune kwende. Hizi zinakuanga buns. Hizi napenda hizi. December 3rd. Hiyo iko sawa. Hizi ni zako hizi. Me, I love this. When you come to buy, just get me this kind of buns. Hizi naweza kunywa nayo chai. December 3rd. That's the problem of bundling up. When you bundle up, you get into the buildings, because inside the building they have heating system on. So you actually melt inside. You melt in. So the dress code is not good for inside. It's good for outdoor. Yeah. So I'm walking in the store, doing some shopping, grabbing some stuff for tomorrow, breakfast and lunch. Because I'll be doing like a double tomorrow. Yeah. And then I need drinks as well.
Peke yangu haiwezekani, usingekuwa upande wangu Bwana, maadui wangenimeza hai. In you I found myself. Peke yangu haiwezekani, usingekuwa upande wangu Bwana, maadui wangenimeza hai. In you I found myself. Peke yangu haiwezekani, usingekuwa upande wangu Bwana, maadui wangenimeza hai. In you I found myself. Peke yangu haiwezekani, usingekuwa upande wangu Bwana, maadui wangenimeza hai. When the enemy came in like a flood, ukanipa ushindi, ukanitengenezea tabasamu, sasa mimi mshindi.
Thank you. Guys, let's go now. Let's go to the snow again. The door's gonna open for me. All right, let's go. Oh my God. Oh, life in America, guys. Watu Kenya wanasema heri wakuje kutesekea hapa kuliko kuteseka kwa ndoa. I understand what you guys are saying. Oh God. Yeah, it's not easy. Kaa hii side ingine ndio unanimulika kwa lighting. Guys, hata kutembea ni ngumu. Unakaa ni kama wewe ni mlevi. Kutembea ni so hard. Hivyo. Sasa nimeingia kwa gari. Ni bundle kidogo, nipanguze miwani. Na watu wa miwani tuko na shida. Unaona sasa miwani yangu venye hiyo ni poa kwa snow. Nakaa ni kama ime. Sasa nisha clean miwani yangu inaonekana vizuri. Now I can start moving out guys. Yaani dakika moja tu nimeingia kwa gari. Snow ishaanza kuchaa kwa gari yangu. Acha niwaonyeshe na them. Ona, hii ni snow imejaa kwa kioo. Hii dakika mbili tu nimeingia Ivy kununua something. Acha tuitoe. Hadi nini warm. Yeah guys, my car got stuck a little bit. Imekwama. Juiezi pita kwa hii matope hii. Unaona hii matope yenye iko hivi? Imepile. Sasa hapa hata hawaja clean road. Unaona watu wanatembea huko wakijaribu kuaccess the road. Akiangalia. Look at the people. I was able to kuitoa kwa matope. Yeah, now I'm almost home. Oh my God. Yep. It is that crazy bad. It is that crazy bad. Oh my God, they have not cleaned this road. I don't know why. They don't know we are supposed to go to work. Now how are we gonna go to work if they're not cleaning? Oh my Lord. Ah, finally they're here. And I made it. I made it. Maana hizo stones. Hizi ndio nawaambia sasa. These are the things. These ones. That's how they become now. Yaani sasa kama hii imeanza kutuleza hii. Unaona hii? Hivyo sasa. Hii sasa ikinyesha tu hapa kidogo tu. Unaona? Mimi inaanza hivyo. Inaanza kuslide. Sasa kama hapa kumeanza kuwa telezi. Imeanza kuslide. Unaona venye snow inakaa hivi sasa. Ikikauka hivyo ndio inakaa hivi. Ikikauka inakaa hivi. Sasa inakuanga telezi. Yeah. Ikikauka inakaa hivyo sasa. Now you see. That's what I'm telling you. Ikikauka inakaa hivyo exactly. This is what it looks like daytime sasa. Ningewachukulia hii sasa ndio muone kukiwa mchana. Unaona? Mchele. Mchele yenu ndio hiyo guys. Yep. I know you can see guys. I know you can see. Unaona venye wameisomba hapa. Yeah. These are piles and piles of snow. These ones. These are piles and piles. Guys, in the morning this was very dangerous zone. Oh my God. This was the most dangerous zone. Guys, ona haka kamlima. Asubuhi nilikuwa mapale mbele. Like literally. Ona haka kamlima venye kako kwenda hapa chini. Like ukikuja asubuhi niambie ni nini itakufanya ukose kuanguka hapa down. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. This is like slanting down. And there comes the train. And then this is another slanting. Sawa, barabara imefungwa hata nimeenda kuwarekodia, nimefungiwa barabara. Imagine ningoje hadi hiyo train ipite. Guys, look at the snow. Hadi barabara ya train ni risk. Hadi train inaenda pole. Because barabara yake kwanza ndio risk mbaya mbovu. Inaenda pole. Like literally so slow. Angalau ndio hizi nini. Oh my God! Nasikia venye inashtua. Inaenda ikijitolea snow. Yeah. Sasa kagari nimekaacha hapa. Siwezi enda hivyo mpaka train iishie. Mpaka itufungulie njia. Yeah guys, ona hapa chini bado. Naikona huko down. Ona uko down guys. Sorry for the noise. Ona hii yenye nilikuwa nawaambia. This is how bad the snow gets. Unaona hii sasa. Hii kishikana hii. Hey. Hii ndio tunaita matope. Like saizi ina slide. Ikishikana inakaa kama hapa sasa. Inaanza kutengeneza vitu kama hizo. Zikianza kukaa hivyo, gari ina slide. Gari inateresa. Now look at the road guys. Imekuwa so clean. Now do you see the difference guys? Aftermath, the difference. The road is so clear now. They have used a lot of salt. They have salted the roads. Now the roads are clear. There's no snow. They have really cleaned it well. But let me tell you the funny thing. It's about to start snowing again tonight at 8 p.m. Oh my God. News are everywhere. It's gonna be bad tonight in Menkero, Menisara. It's gonna be so bad tonight. It will be snowing like crazy. Naona venye saka gari kana timua mbio but kuchafuliwa na snow matope. Sasa zinakimbia, asubuhi zilikuwa zinatembea venye zinajisikia. Yeah, snow is beautiful guys. It's really beautiful, especially when you sit on the trees like that and under the trees like that. It's very beautiful. But guys, it is scary to drive when it's snowing. Actually, not when it's snowing. On a snow state, it's so scary to drive, guys. It's not funny to drive kwa snow. No, it's not funny. It's fun to play with the snow. It's fun to see it. It's beautiful to see, but it's not a good thing to drive, especially if you're walking 30 minutes away, 20 minutes away. Oh my God, it's not a good thing. And if you're walking on highways, you're good because highways get really cleaned. But hizi barabara za huku ndani oh my God. Yep. Now gari zimesomba hizi masino zikazieka kando ya barabara kama hapa. You can see. Hivyo ndio zinasombwangwa zinawekwa kando ya barabara. Like this. Like that. Then ukiona magari ni chafu. Gari zinakaa mbaya guys. Mine is also looking like that. There's no difference. Naona sasa hiyo sino nilikuwa nawaambia inakaa matope. Yeah. Huyu amelelewa Amerika. Amezoea hata hizi skeo baridi. Yeah guys, in the morning when I was coming to work it was really bad. Now I'm going home. It is so clear and looks so good. When I'm pile my snow go down. I wish I could show you guys, but I'm enjoying it. So it was really nice guys, you know, vlogging with you for the snow. I hope those who have never seen the snow, those who have never had an experience with the snow and stuff like that, I hope you've at least seen it, even if you've not touched it. And I hope you've understood a few things about snow. You can now do your exams on snow. You can answer a few questions about it. It's white in color. It's slippery when it rains. It pours continuously. It pours like a powder form. Yeah, at least you know a few things about the snow. And states that are really experiencing snow in America, Minnesota is one of the baddest when it comes to snowing. Texas is really very good. Right now they're enjoying life. Texas, when it comes to summertime, they really cry of heat. But now, snow time, they are having it to the best because it doesn't snow that bad there. But pia ikianza, inawabebanga sawa sawa. Yeah, and snow si udongo. You can't use it kuekelea mbolea or kubalilia mahindi. Yeah, it's just waste. With time, it'll melt. If there's a lot of sun, it will melt and then it will just disappear like that. That's the good thing about snow. So you don't have to worry like, sasa itakaa wapi, itaenda wapi, finally ita melt. It will melt finally na ishe. After 3 days unapata kame melt na kametoka kwa barabara, but you keep on kumwagilia hiyo chumvi. So it was nice actually vlogging with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time. Toodaloo.
Wendo mtetezi wa
done, guys. Oh God. I'm done. I've brought my car home safely. Guys, I've literally parked anywhere. You don't have to like park it really good. You just park anywhere because it's so difficult. It's so hard to park. So otherwise, I'm home safe. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home. And that was it by today. Bye, guys.